Hey there. Did you know that Binance now offers advanced trading bots that can trade for you 24/7 without any human intervention? That's right. Imagine having an assistant working tirelessly around the clock, making trades even while you sleep. Pretty cool, huh? Welcome to the ultimate Binance Trading Bot guide. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned pro looking to step up your game, Binance Trading Bots could be the secret weapon you need. These automated tools are helping traders like you maximize potential profits while minimizing screen time. Let's dive into what these trading bots can do and how they could revolutionize your trading experience. Key benefits of using trading bots. First up, less manual work. With bots, you don't have to stay online all day to catch market moves. Set your parameters, and the bot does the rest. Next, speed and efficiency. Bots can analyze huge amounts of data in milliseconds, reacting faster than any human ever could, crucial in the fast-paced world of crypto. And they take the emotions out of trading. No more fear or greed clouding your judgment. Bots make decisions based on data, helping you avoid those emotional pitfalls. Now, let's talk strategies. Grid trading is perfect for sideways markets. The bot buys low and sells high within a set price range, making the most of price fluctuations. Rebalancing bots help you maintain a steady asset allocation, automatically adjusting your portfolio to keep things balanced, no matter what the market does. Want to get a better average price? Spot DCA is your friend. The bot places buy or sell orders at regular intervals, smoothing out the effects of market volatility. And for those placing large orders, order-splitting bots like TWAP and volume participation break down big trades into smaller ones, helping you get better prices and avoid moving the market. But remember, trading bots aren't without risks. They rely on automation, and a poorly designed bot could make costly mistakes. Technical glitches can happen too, and bots aren't great at adapting to extreme market changes. Plus, they don't have the human intuition that sometimes guides the best trades. So while they can help, they don't guarantee profits. Always manage your risk and never invest more than you can afford to lose. To sum it up, Binance Trading Bots can be a powerful tool. They offer automation, speed, and emotion-free trading, but they're just that, a tool. They won't make you rich overnight, and they can't replace smart, informed trading strategies. Keep learning, stay informed, and refine your approach to get the best results. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out my other videos, and I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.